Oh my god, it's perfect, bro. We just hit our 300 mark. Okay, I don't care. I'm gonna remove liquidity. What you wanna do is go back to the website, click on the minus button, remove liquidity 100%. Yes sir, yes sir. Okay, come on, it's loading. Come on. And then boom, we just I made over $433,000 last month, and it's sitting all right here in my Phantom wallet. Solana meme coins made it happen. I'll show you exactly how I did it, one step at a time. How are you guys gonna make your first 100,000? The simplest answer is by creating meme coins. What we do is we create meme coins, wait for buyers, and then dump the liquidity. As simple as that. Do not waste your time trading these meme coins. I've been there, I've done that. I've lost all of my money every single day after school trading these meme coins. There is no future for them. You guys need to understand that creating them is the best way to make money. Just look at this coin, for example. In a couple of minutes, I kid you not, at 1:35, this coin will have rugged, everything gone, and the owners will have walked away with thousands. Now, how are you guys gonna do the same thing as them? Well, you guys are gonna go on coinlabs.fun. This website allows you to create thousands of coins every single day repeatably, so there's no cooldown on this. You can create as many coins as you want, and trying to find the coin that will take you from 0 to 100 Solana. No joke. And the thing is, once all of this money will pour into your account, there's no stopping you, bro. You can keep going until the end of time if you want. I'm telling you guys, you will be addicted to this. So stay tuned and keep watching. But before we get started, I just want to make it clear that this video is purely for educational purposes only, so please do not copy me but enjoy the video. Now you guys will be creating your tokens on coinlabs.fun. It is the only website that is legit on YouTube. This website will allow you guys to create your coins in seconds with no coding required. And the second good thing about this website, the upside to this website, is that it creates a coin straight on the liquidity pool of Radium. Now, what is the Radium liquidity pool? It's the liquidity pool for all the biggest coins out there. So you guys will be getting way more attention, way more buys, and way more money. Now, the reason why you guys will not be creating your coins on Pump.Fun is, first of all, it is oversaturated. There are too many bullshit coins that are wasting people's time, and these coins have to hit a $90,000 market cap for it to bond over to the Radium deck, the one that you guys will be instantly put on. So why would you not create your coin on coinlabs.fun? Now, my favorite way to create tokens on coinlabs.fun is to copy trending meme coins. Now, what this tab is the website going through thousands of shitty meme coins, trying to find the ones that are proven to making you money. And what is the other thing that it does? The other thing that it does lets you create the exact same coin, everything the exact same thing. So you don't have to code it, you don't have to add the website, you don't have to do anything other than creating the coin and adding liquidity to the coin. Now, these coins are all proven, as I said, to making you money. And the strategy I use is I find a high enough market cap for a coin to copy while refreshing the list that has a last bought in under 15 seconds. So all of these coins that you see right here are bound to making you money, and it is impossible for you to lose money. Now, for example, if we look at soldiers, soul, like Solana jurors, see that, bro, I would create a coin right now. See, for example, frag, like it is a frog and a frag grenade. That is a good coin. Soldiers, like soul, like Solana, a soldier. See, oh my days, all of these coins have infinite potential. You guys just need to create these coins. Just a quick disclaimer, this is Mr. Munyon from the future. All of these rugs that you guys are going to be seeing, they're only 2. Basically, I'm on a trip, and those are my last 2 recorded launches that were actually pretty good. So that's why y'all are going to be seeing them a hella ton, because I am on vacation. Alright, so we're going to create a coin right now. We're going to refresh the list. So okay, this coin is over 30,000 market cap, last bought about 15 seconds ago, has a valid narrative. So we're gonna create the coin. Just gonna write my password. Now don't mind this, just proceed anyways. Confirm, I understand. Confirm. All right, now the website is currently creating my token, so all you have to do is wait, and then boom, that is your coin token address that has been created. Now, if we go over to create liquidity pool, you guys are gonna want to create for the token A, put it to 90%. And then the token B, which is basically the liquidity in the coin, anywhere from 0.3 to 0.5 Solana is a good liquidity. So what we're gonna do for the sake of the video, we're gonna put 0.3 Solana. Now all we have to do is create pool and the coin should be live. So we're gonna be creating the pool. Give it a couple of seconds. All right, so proceed. And then boom, the pool has successfully been created. Now give it a second and then boom, our token is successfully created. Now we have a liquidity pool for said token. Now all you guys have to do to see your coin is click on view, and here is the coin. Now this is a couple minutes after the launch. And bro, this coin is already at 16k, dropping a bit. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to remove the liquidity. Now, how are we gonna remove liquidity? Well, if you're to remove the liquidity, which I don't think I will, we're gonna press minus, then 100%, and then click remove liquidity. And then if you were to proceed, you click confirm, and then your liquidity should have removed. So we just made what, like 13k in a matter of 5-10 minutes. It's as simple as that. Hopefully this video gave y'all clarity on how you guys can create your own meme coins. Join my free Telegram in the description down below. My website is also linked there, so you guys can launch your own coins very fast. And until the next one, peace.